Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kinsey and I am on a road trip around Colorado to find all of the unique and different places that Colorado has to offer. I forgot to film my intro beforehand, so I'm actually doing it now after I've already filmed this video. So, future Kinsey, before this video, or after this video, technically, but whatever. Anyways, yeah, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Your support has been awesome, and I truly appreciate everybody who is subscribed to the channel. If you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to do so. It really helps. But other than that, I hope that you guys enjoy today's video. So, if you're looking for something fun to do in the Colorado Springs area, Manitou Springs is located not too far away from Colorado Springs. If you go through Old Colorado City, it'll take you right to Manitou, or you can take a nice scenic drive through Garden of the Gods and also end up in Manitou. I will say, during the weekdays, Manitou is a little less busy than during the weekends. And today's a weekend day, so it's a little busy today compared to weekdays, but still something fun and outdoor to do in Colorado. In October, they do the Manitou Emma Crawford race, which is pretty cool. That's a very busy day. So if you do plan on coming to that in October, just know it's going to be very busy and get here early.
Is that the Masons?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah, it's the Freemasons.
Freemasons.
Yeah.
We gonna cross?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going to one of my favorite shops. Actually, I don't know if it's a favorite shop, but we have to go because I need to look.
Gotta stop there.
Huh?
What'd you get? Of course.
And I don't know how well you can see that on camera, but
A lot of glare, maybe.
Bank of Manitou.
The Vault. Jewelry, gifts, and art.
Huh?
So every time I take a step, it's a guesstimation situation.
Ah.
I'm not sure I'm taking the right step. Those buildings are definitely newer.
Ah, yes, if you like the taste of
This-
TV static.
This is something.
This is the grossest water there is. Oh my god. Careful down that. Nope, I'm not even gonna. Good on you, man. Good on you. I will not be doing that.
All of these are new, not original buildings.
Pretty neat. We're currently at the Penny Arcade here in Manitou Springs, so it's gonna be a little loud.
Wow, I haven't seen a Mrs. Pac-Man game in a hot minute. Oh Lord, it works. That's a rare one there. I think there's less people on this one. Perfect size for the boys.
The Penny Arcade is definitely busy today.
Woo.
Lots of people and lots of games to play. So if you have little ones and you want to get outside, I recommend coming to the Penny Arcade. If you haven't figured it out by now, I'm here with my lovely mother again on another episode. So she's helping getting extra video footage for me today. So
It's too busy to do it by yourself.
sure it is. There's an emu behind me. Look at that. Full on emu. There's an emu.
Oh, there's another one.
Still just as gross. And I'm still not drinking it.
Oh, come on, just taste it.
No.
It's really not that bad.
That Manitou water drinking, whatever it is, it's TV static.
It's sparkling water.
It's gross.
It's like natural sparkling water.
I don't care.
Though.
It is gross.
And it's good.
If you enjoy it, good on you. More power to you. I don't enjoy it. I think it's gross.
It's not as so bubbly like sparkling water is. It's light, you know?
Yeah. Alright, so it is lunchtime and my mom wants to go to the Loop and get some lunch and a drink. Okay, so we just finished lunch. How was it?
Absolutely delicious, and the margarita was
nice. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to everybody watching, and I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's a little bit different than usual, but figured it was something to do outside. So if you guys enjoy today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit subscribe if you're not subscribed, which a majority of you watching are not subscribed, so don't forget to do so. So we dropped off our bags and we're headed to check out the memorial area of Manitou Springs. And also the weather's kind of turning, so I don't know what it looks like in there, but I guess I'll see after I'm done filming. It's a little treehouse for squirrels or kids. Take your pick. Pretty cool. Little treehouse. Oh, look, and there's a face on this side too. So over here is the memorial section of Manitou Springs. So we're gonna go check that out. In memory, this park is dedicated in honor of George Eber Duclos, who died in the service of his country in the World War. Very interesting.
that candy shop has old time candy.
Oh, nice. The backside of the bank. part of their river walk, even though it's not really a river walk. Last week, their sirens went off for a flash flood down here.
Oh, the ones that sound like a tornado's coming?
Yeah.
Wow.
Up there is the old hotel. Right next to the penny arcade, where nothing costs a penny. Yeah.
The historic Cliff House.
And that's the post office right there.
Look at them old-time typewriters. I love the sign that says all typewriters are 25% off.
I know. Hey, look at that chair.
Oh my goodness, that's for, you know who that's for?
Me. Okay, so now that we ate lunch, I did promise Mom that we could get a funnel cake.
The best in the world.
We're gonna go back to Patsy's candy shop and get a funnel cake. The rain really cleared everybody out, man. But yeah, so this is the penny arcade. Nothing costs a penny here, but still fun to bring your kids to, right?
Yeah, sure.
Are you so happy right now?
That's a funny cake. That's a funnel cake. Look at that thing. Oh my goodness. Hey, get away from my food.
That funnel cake is hot, man.
Ooh, burn a finger, man.
Ow.
Delicious.
It's good, but man.
Straight spicy.
Oh, that's hot.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, the rain's starting to come in pretty strong. So I think that's going to wrap today's video. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, don't forget to stay hydrated.
There you go.